Okay, I'm back. So, first, we just want to take a flathead screwdriver. Pull that off. This pulls right off. Your flathead. Once you get it pretty much out, you can use your hand for the rest. Only 2 screws. Two screws. Throw them right away so they don't be laying around on people's bed and falling on the floor and stepping on them. Throw that plate. Throw this away because I got a new one. Because that's for a regular switch. That's square. So I'll show you that in the next step. Next couple steps. Next, you grab your drill, whatever kind of drill you got. I got DeWalt. 2 more screws. Make sure you press firmly. You ain't gotta go crazy, just press firmly and let the drill work for itself. Sometimes paint be on here, making it stuck, so you gotta kind of do. What I do is I'll take the back end of these and give it a little tap. Pops it loose. And bam. Again, old screws disposing right away. Next, pull this up gently, don't go crazy. I use my hands. Some people use these. Yeah, grab them like this. I don't like using these that much. Do that because if it hit the metal, sometimes it spark. If it's hot, but the power should be off, and it's usually always supposed to be off. So, in this case, just give it a little twist and pull, comes off. So, pump that down in the way so it don't hit nothing. Give a little twist and pull, comes off. That's trash. Again, dispose it. Next, you got your white, you got your black. Hot, neutral. Next, take your, open up your, get your blade cut away from you. Once you do that, safety first. Open the pack up. Again, all your trash go in the trash. So let's stay clean, clean. Now you got 3 wires in this because it's a single pole. It doesn't matter. In this case, it's white and black. You got hot, you got neutral. You can hook them up either way. It's no wrong way in this case with these. It's just black, white. Hook them up, wire another. Green is always ground. In this case, this house is old, it doesn't have a ground. So what you do is you take the ground wire and you cut it back a little. The reason I do that is because the wire's only so much wire in there and it's taking a chance on hitting something. Another safety caution, just to be safe. Put that on there. Just done. Now again, now you down to wire. You got your 2 wire nuts, you got your 2 screws. Trash is trash. So you take one, get it up on there, close to it, push it in nice and tight, hold it, so don't slip down, twist. Don't, it's tight. That's one. I like pulling my stuff up so I can hold it. Do not grab it like this string. I use the wire nuts to do the work. Look, that light popped on. Beep. Power supposed to usually always be off, but I've been doing this for 25 years. For example, if it wasn't off and them touches go pop, you go to the breaker, you hit the breaker, you back on, you fine. You don't want to do that, but use a rule of thumb, have the power off usually. But Ooh, 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 ooh. That's called a dimmer switch. So now, push it in a little bit. Make sure your dimmer's not upside down. So what you want to do is it's an arrow, and it's a word to say up. Take your time, push it in there. Push it in. Another big trick is you gotta have a flattened flush. I repeat, you do not want that bulging out. It gotta be flush to the wall so your plate is flush. So, back to my drill. 2 screws. All you're doing now is going back how you took it off, you put it back on the same way. Take your time. Take your time. Make sure it's even. Make sure it ain't crooked. Some people use levels. Again, I've been doing this so long, I don't gotta pull no level out no more. Oh yeah. Boom. Next, get my cover plate, put my cover plate on, and voila, good to go. Bah, bah, bah. Dimmer installed. Less than 3 to 5 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. Lesson 1-on-1. Dimmer installation. Can't stop, won't stop. Whack, whack.